Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and for this video I'm gonna be reviewing this budget keyboard. It is called InPlay KB066 USB wired keyboard. If you're not a fan of mechanical keyboard, I think this is the perfect keyboard for you. I bought it on Shopee in April of 2023, around 359 pesos. Currently it is now 369, so it has been in our workplace since then, and I must tell that this product is durable. By the way, none of the things I'm reviewing are sponsored. I purchased them on my own or with money from our company's budget for office supplies and or equipment. This one is a black type, although I prefer white color. I bought 3 of these, one for me and 2 for my staff, and it's really pretty good considering the amount that we spend on our computers. First off, let's talk about the design and build quality. The keyboard boasts a modern and minimalistic design with 104 keys, providing a full-size layout for comfortable typing. It's impressively lightweight, weighing between 220 to 240 grams, making it highly portable without compromising on durability. The soft touch keys offer a smooth and comfortable typing experience, reducing typing noise significantly, which is great if you're in a shared workspace or prefer a quieter environment. Let's hear the sound. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its RGB backlighting. The customizable RGB lighting adds vibrant touch to your workspace, allowing you to personalize the keyboard's appearance to suit your mood or style. The lighting effects are stunning and easily adjustable. But for me, I am not fan of this color combination. Connectivity-wise, the USB wired connection ensures a stable and reliable connection to your computer or laptop. The plug-and-play functionality makes it a hassle-free to set up. Just plug it in and you're good to go. Additionally, the keyboard's compatibility with various operating systems is a plus, as it works seamlessly with Windows, Mac, and Linux systems. In terms of performance, the keys are responsive and offer satisfying tactile feedback while typing. Whether you're gaming, working on documents, or typing up emails, the InPlay keyboard provides a comfortable and efficient typing experience. So if you're in market for a reliable and visually appealing keyboard that doesn't compromise on functionality, the InPlay KB066 might just be the perfect fit for you. In conclusion, the InPlay USB wired soft touch keyboard with RGB backlight model KB066 is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a stylish, lightweight, and comfortable keyboard. Its silent keys, customizable RGB lighting, and overall performance make it a solid option for both work and leisure. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. See you in the next videos.